I wanted to do a quick video on this piece of hardware. I got a used Omnichord OM-150, which I don't see a lot of, honestly, as far as the repair videos, so I thought it was worthwhile to cover. It was broken, wasn't doing anything, so I wanted to get in here and take a look. You should have 12 volts going to two places over here, one on the red and one on the yellow. I saw 12 on the red, not on the yellow. It's a problem. So you come over here and you say, okay, why is this not working? Essentially, this yellow comes to this part, which I can't get a great picture here, but if you look at the front, it is in fact a C1173, which is an NPN, and it's set up as an NPN emitter follower to regulate the 12 volt output from the input here. By the way, good test points, negative rail, positive rail, again, just documenting for the sake of people looking at a 150, although there's an interesting piece to that. So with that not working, I was pretty sure, hey, just a bad NPN. So what I did to do a quick test, bridge the input 12 to the emitter, 12, nothing crazy. And sure enough, let me try and get a demo of this really quick. So plugged in. Power, hip hip hooray. And demo. There you go. So everything is dandy. I'm going to replace that NPN and have a nice working unit. Again, let me just kind of go over this slow to show you what it should look like. Anyone looking for a reference, it can be hard to see in some of those pictures. Anyone looking for popped components or whatnot, I would show you the other side of this, but it was pretty unremarkable, nothing crazy. It'll be obvious if something terrible has happened. Obviously check the seating of your connectors. Alrighty. Oh, right, one last thing to mention. Take a look on the back here. There we go. SWS 429A. But the 429A is for the 250. The 150 should be the B. So I don't know if someone tried to replace this at some point, replaced it with something else, or that's a mislabeling. I don't know. Anyway, it works. Cool. And a quick post-repair update, just to show that everything is working nicely. And there you have it.